Kung nakikita nyo, marami pong mga dolphins. Ayan. May mga dragon, may mga bangus, milkfish.
Okay, let's try something different.
So, ayan, mga lods, pupunta kami sa St. John Island. Yan, Gora-Gora, mga ladies. Yan, ayan, araw kami ng, ano ba tawag doon? Bangka? ng boat, an English boat. Ayan, shout out dyan sa, shoes. Extra pinela sila. Shout out sa sapatos. Nanyo balan. Paloka. Ayan. Iniiwan ako. Buti na lang yung iBag ko nag-stay. Buti pa yung iBag nag-stay. Bibili kami ng ticket. Ba, may spike. Yan, bibili kami ng ticket mga lods. So, ayan, wait lang. Ayan. Welcome to Marina South Pier. Hi baby, how's the travel around the city? So how? Are you get mad to us? A bit. Oh. Ayan, mag-aura nga kayong tatlo. Tara na, bili na tayo. Where? Kaya nga. Oh, ayan, bibili kami ng chiking. Ayan, so we're here. Hi! Nag-hi siya, ayan. Pwede ka dyan, St. John, sa Lazarus Island or sa Cozo Island, Sister Island. So, ayan, bibili kami ng ticket. Ligaya! Ufo! Yay, baka naman. Ticket, guys. Good morning. Thank you. Oh my god, I can't believe it. We ride a boat. The boat is sinking. Ayan, there. Let's go, guys. Thank you. Hala, paano makapasok dito? Oh my god, I'm trapped. Ah, I'm trapped. Char, ang arte. Ano, kaya pa? Oh my god, there's an arrow. Oh wow, my god, Marco, it's adventurous. Adventurous is coming. Char. First trip here in Singapore, going to another island. Char, English yun. Ayan, lots, nakikita ko may mga dolphin. Yes, colorful sila. Oh my god, ayan, nakikita nyo ba? Dolphin. Ay, ganito pala yung barko. Ganito pala yung farm boat. Ayan. So, punta kami ng island, hanap po kami ng jowa. Char. Sana makabingwit ng jowa. Ayan yung dolphin, color pink. It's okay, baby. I'm used to it. Charot! My God! Ito pala yung boat. Wow! Hala, thank you, Lord. Thank you! Diyos ko, malaglag, uy. We're here. Yan, okay. Kita nyo guys, maraming ayan, nandito po kami guys. Ay, ayaw niya. English ba? First time ka sumakay sa ganito. Oh, really? Oh, first time niya. We're here na at St. John, guys. Baka malaglag ka, mapunta sa maling tao. Maling tao. Aragay! Ang sakit to ni. Oo. Hirap walang hugot.
Nahulog pa sa maling tao, yun ang masakit.
Yun nga. Kaya mag-ingat ka.
Yeah, I know, right? Kailangan ko mag-ingat.
We're finally, yeah. Ay, karanggan ako dito. See the sea? That's the vitamin C. We need that every day. Char! Ayan, nagra-rhyme. Say hi to my, ayan mga lods, oh. Yan, diba? Parang ang ganda-ganda ko dito. Parang walang force. kung nakikita nyo, marami pong mga dolphins. Ayan. May mga dragon, may mga bangus, milkfish. Meron.
Yahoo! The travel is like 40 minutes. Like that. Like, oh my gosh. And then we're for friends, you know.
I'm not bleeding, you know.
Ano ba daw mga pang-Islam, mga pang-Amerika?
Oh, you need to speak English because you're here now in Saint John. You know,
Saint means
yeah, Saint means
John.
John. So that's the purpose.
To the closest here.
Saint means John. So we're here nga at Saint
Oh,
John.
look,
What's that?
there's waves. There's a wheel, there's a wheel. Yeah.
If your life is no direction, so you need to see that. Yeah, see the map.
Because you are-
Wow, I like the view.
Hi.
Pero wala tayong viewers. Eh?
I wish I have somewhere there.
Ang phone ko.
I know, right? I look
Yeah.
there.
You look pretty here, girls. You look pretty here, very. You, all of you three. Yeah, I like it very much. Then the hair is dancing like that. Yeah. Then our paper bags. Yeah, I don't know. I can speak English anymore. So ipopost na muna natin to mga lods ha. The New Zealand! Ang ganda talaga oh, di ba? Iyay, magpakita kaya eh. Show yourself.
This camera is tricking. We're not beautiful in person. We are super beautiful.
No, this is real because the purse is, you know, they can
Yeah.
see our purses there.
We are in New Zealand.
Yeah, we are in New Zealand.
But in the back, we are in
We are
Bali.
in Bali. Surprise! Kalawa. Okay. Ayan, we're having a lunch. Lunch. Ano ba yan? Breakfast and lunch na, right?
It's brunch.
It's a brew.
How to eat when you reach the age of 30? Your age of 30.
It's like this actually.
When you're rich, you use spoon with gloves because you don't want the spoon to touch your
Yeah.
because your finger is not dry, right?
Yeah. Yes, I know. Yeah. So we are. Say hi. We're going back to the island. We're going to Ibiza, Char. Yan, pauwi na kami mga lods. Yan, ano ba? What is the meaning of this? Yan, so pauwi na kami mga lods. Okay. Ha?
Scam na naman ang plano nito.